Membership, retention and community. Engagement strategies. So this guide for you to follow. Building a membership is only half the journey. The real profit comes from retention. Keeping members engaged, motivated and excited to stay every single month. A good membership can attract members, but a great membership keeps them for months or even years. This guide shows you exactly how to increase retention, engagement and long-term member happiness. Step 1. Create a powerful new member onboarding experience. Retention starts on day 1. Your onboarding should welcome the member warmly. Show them where to start. Give them a quick win. Explain what to expect and invite them to introduce themselves. Best onboarding elements. Welcome video. Start here. Category. Quick start checklist. Suggested first steps. Personal welcome inside the community. Why it works. Clarity reduces overwhelm. Overwhelm causes cancellation. Step 2. User accountability to keep members engaged. Accountability is one of the strongest drivers for retention. You can add weekly goals, posts, progress check-ins, small challenges, accountability threads, and monthly review sessions. Members stay because they feel supported. Step 3. Host consistent live sessions. Live interaction deepens community connection. Recommended live formats. Weekly or monthly Q&As. Coaching calls. Workshops. Guest expert sessions. Feedback sessions. Critiques. Live challenges. Even one monthly live session can dramatically reduce churn. Step 4. Create a thriving community space. The community is where your membership comes alive. Inside your Zenler community, add channels like introduction, wins, questions, monthly challenges, feedback and critiques, behind the scenes, progress journals. Community success comes from daily or weekly prompts, replying to members quickly, encouraging peer-to-peer help, spotlighting members' progress and sharing inspirational examples. The result, members feel connected, supported and of course valued. So let's talk about step 5. Offer quick wins. Quick wins keep motivation high. Example, 5-minute tutorial, 1-slide templates, daily sketch prompts, mini challenges, quick mindset resets. These create dopamine and momentum, which reduces cancellation. Step 6. Build momentum with monthly themes. Monthly themes help members feel guided through a journey. Examples, January planning, February creativity, March productivity, April business skills, benefits, predictability, excitement, clear structure, easy content creation. Members stay because they know what's coming next. Step 7. Celebrate members' progress. People stay when they feel appreciated. Ways to celebrate members. Ways to celebrate members. Member of the month. Progress posts. Wins highlights. Gallery or portfolio showcase. Video shout-outs. Simple recognition increases emotional connection. So step 8 now. Use challenges to drive engagement. Challenges dramatically increase participation and motivation. So some examples of this is the 7-day design challenge, 30-day fitness challenge, weekly creation challenge, monthly build challenge. Challenges give members a clear start, a clear end, and a shared mission and a reason to stay engaged. Step 9, provide exclusive members only extras. Members love to feel special. Offer exclusive templates, discounted workshops, early access to content, bonus mini courses or behind the scenes videos. Scarcity increases perceived value, increasing retention. And step 10, gather feedback and adapt. Retention improves when your membership evolves with your audience. Use polls, use surveys, ask me anything posts, quarterly feedback forms, and open questions. Listen, adapt, improve, retain. Retention checklist. Onboarding in place. Weekly or monthly live sessions. Accountability systems active. Strong community structure. Quick wins added. Monthly themes planned. Challenge scheduled. Members recognition system. Feedback loop active. Implement even 3 to 4 of these and your retention will rise quickly. We've done a full written guide on this. You can follow it by following the link in the description, and you can absorb it in there and also find related links in there to other articles, and of course videos to go with that as well for you to listen and watch. But you can read the articles, you'll find them all down in the descriptions. So hit that bell and subscribe if you love this channel and its content.